Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to speak about the subject of what makes human life senseless. Well, sometimes the grand scheme of things, if you really look at life, well, we sometimes wonder, what is this for? What is all of this for? Why are we doing all that we do? Why are we doing all that we don't do? And if life is only so ephemeral and we're only here for 80 years, 90 years, if you're lucky, 100 years, and some people less than that, then what's it all for? What's it meant for? Should we even care about the future generations? Well, we love this earth. It gave us a life, which is nice, and great memories, and it has a lot to give. And I don't know if it's in the biology of us and all that, but seeing people smile and laugh and just happy usually tends to make people feel good. And feeling good is a feeling. So when you're alive, you're alive. So is life really senseless? Well, I think that we need to understand that we are mortal and that there's a lot of things that we can't control. And we have created this city, this kind of society where we have a lot of rules. And with a lot of rules, we have a lot of things that can happen. But at the same time, well, there's good things and there's bad things. So literally, we have to think about it this way. If we're only here for a certain amount of time, but this is our home, and if more than memory, our lineage is given through DNA and our biology, then the fact that we have this thing where we can procreate, where we can have multiple generations, where we can keep on propagating our blood is important. Because even though we may not understand it as a human being, maybe we're never meant to really understand these things. Because if we think about it, there's Earth, there's planets all around us, there's a whole universe with different galaxies and all these things. And we may be part of a much bigger thing. Kind of like when people say, hey, we actually might be in a computer program, kind of like the Matrix. Well, we are probably part of something that's so big, it's so important, that we just don't even understand it. Now they're saying, for example, that actually the species that is the most important on Earth are bees. And because they're getting extinct, well, they could really, literally threaten the existence of everything else on Earth. Because they're the ones who are able to basically propagate and pollinate and spread all these flowers everywhere. So without them, this small little creature that doesn't even really know that they're doing that, they're doing it. So we're part of an ecosystem. So is everything senseless? I think everything's chaotic, and we have organized chaos by society, by laws that we impose, by values that we have, because it's kind of like learned experiences that we've had from previous generations, or it's just learned experiences that have worked for other people. Now we're trying to make it work for us. Laws are there so that we don't have complete chaos. If everybody were to go through green lights, red lights and all that, it would be crazy. That's why we have jails if people don't abide the law. It's a sort of form of punishment. And we have money because it's a sort of trade, and it seems to have become popular. So things are seamless, senseless, but at the same time they do have a sense. But I think the sense is much bigger than just one person or even a community. It's the whole of mankind, encompassed by all the animal planet, all the flowers, all the trees, and all these things. And I don't think it's in our own way even feasible to completely understand what the meaning of everything is. But at the same time, it's not because it seems senseless that we don't want to keep on fighting and keep on being human. So that's it. That's all I have to say on the subject. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.